look, how's everybody doing out there today? It's Dante Bueno over here with OnlyWoodFloors. So here we are in Newport Beach. Okay, got a pretty interesting floor. It's reclaimed. Well, it's got that reclaimed look. So I'll go ahead and turn this thing around. I'll show you that beautiful view. Take a look at the wood. You see those dark spots? Those are all the reclaimed look. Now, originally, when they did the estimate, they said they wanted to sand everything down, but from what I'm being told now, it's that it's going to become a screening coat. So, definitely want to try to keep these dark spots and everything. It goes with the whole theme that they got going here. But, got one room right here. We already did yesterday. We did a couple of different repairs. Yeah. Take a look. Got wood right here in the laundry room. And that noise is my guy getting ready to install this. It's the bathroom. In here, another bathroom. Okay, so take a look at the floor. Alright, let me turn this thing around so you guys can see me again. Okay, so basically what we're going to do with that is we're going to do screen and coat, try to clean everything up as much as possible so we leave all that stuff, the reclaimed look and everything. What we'll do with the new wood, what we're going to try to do is we're going to try to stain it dark and then sand it a bit so it kind of has that same look to it, the whole reclaimed look. And we'll see how it turns out. I'll do a video update in a couple hours and we can just see, never done anything like this before, but, in theory, everything should work out. And we'll take a look in a couple hours. We'll see where we're at. Everybody have a good day.